I can't even get the pump off this. Can you pull the pump off this?
No, let me see.
Oh!
Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's great! Oh, that's awesome! With a drink cup holder. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is awesome. I love it.
No, there's more.
Where's the helmet? Is this the law in Florida? You have to wear this?
No, but we want to protect your brain.
You have to get me anything. Oh my goodness, white walls.
Yes.
White walls. Who are loving our mom. Very loving.
Happy birthday. You're very hard to distract. Now you can see Lisa's present.
What? Oh, I have the best bike ever. This is the best ever.
And a lock.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's awesome.
There's the card in there
And
too,
even
babe.
with a book. A
Yeah.
book wrap.
So now you can ride to Walgreens all you
Oh
want.
my goodness.
And you have plenty of places to put your stuff.
And what? This is the most awesome bike ever. Oh my goodness. And it's so funny. When I was younger, to have thicker tires was bad. And I don't like that. I like this now.
you like
I
this
prefer the wider and the
Good.
white walls. Oh, that's so
Can I pull this in your garage?
Yes.
Do you want to go on a stroll with your...
Well, not today because of my stupid boot, but oh my goodness, this is awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, well, we'll have to call